The difference between having an LLC versus a professional corporation is usually for tax purposes. Um, LLCs, you're being taxed as an individual, and the taxes just pass through. It's for to make the taxation easier because as a professional corporation, the corporation pays taxes, and even though there are ways to have it being treated as an LLC, but a lot of times people select an LLC because it's a much easier structure and it's an easier way to handle it for the attorney to just pay taxes themselves. You need to obtain an EIN for your law firm because you are going to be filing tax returns for the business entity. So whether it's a partnership, an LLC, you need your EIN, you obtain it, you file a form with the IRS, they send you a letter with your EIN. That's a very straightforward process. Now, if you're operating as a sole proprietor, technically you could do it without an EIN. You just get the income personally and you report all of your income on your personal tax return, but it gets very messy. So, if you really want to scale up and you want to grow your business and you want to move out of this, just one attorney working out of a tiny office handling the cases themselves, you need to set up a business entity, you need to have your EIN, have you need to have all of your finances organized and run through your business entity for accounting purposes and to just keep everything clean and separate from your personal expenses. All right, let's talk about setting up the bank accounts for the law firm. Um, there are two types of bank accounts that every attorney that deals with receiving funds or holding funds for their clients, they must have. First and foremost, the most important thing, the one thing that you need to grill into your head, what most attorneys get in trouble for, is mishandling the client's trust account, the IOLTA account. This is something that must be managed with absolute perfection because this is one thing that many attorneys get in trouble for, and the state bars all across the country are seriously cracking down and auditing many attorneys now. I cannot stress it enough how crucial it is to maintain perfect accounting of your IOLTA trust account. This is the trust account where uh, any funds that attorney receives for their client, for example, a settlement of the case, a retainer the client gives you against which you're going to be sending invoices. Any funds that belong to your client, they must be kept in the special interest bearing trust account.